By the end of this video, you'll know the hidden scorecard leaders use to judge managers, so you can stop guessing what good looks like and start playing the real game. Here's the problem with becoming a manager. Nobody gives you a clear scoreboard. As an individual contributor, it's simple. Did you finish your tasks? Was the quality good? Were you on time? As a manager, you can work crazy hard, be in meetings all day, and still have senior leadership quietly thinking, I'm not sure this person is ready for bigger responsibility. That disconnect usually comes from one thing. You're performing for the wrong scoreboard. Think of it like playing a game with two scoreboards. The visible scoreboard is what everyone talks about. Deadlines, number of projects, hours worked, how busy you look. The hidden scoreboard is what senior leaders actually care about. Does your team consistently deliver without drama? Are there fewer fires coming from your area? Do people want to work with you and stay? Can you be trusted with bigger, messier problems? If you only optimize for the visible scoreboard, you'll feel exhausted and under-rewarded. If you learn to optimize for the hidden one, your growth accelerates. Here are 4 big unspoken rules leaders use to evaluate managers, whether they say it out loud or not. 1. Consistency beats heroics. They're not impressed that you saved a project at 2 a.m. They're impressed when your team rarely needs 2 a.m. heroics in the first place. 2. Fewer surprises, more trust. If your area is full of last-minute escalations, shifting deadlines, and "we just found out," that's a red flag. Good managers surface risks early and communicate before things blow up. 3. Team health is part of your job. High turnover, constant conflict, or burnout on your team signals a leadership issue, not just tough market conditions. Leaders ask, would I want to be on this person's team? 4. You make the system better, not just yourself. They look for whether processes, handoffs, and collaboration around you improve over time. If everything still relies on you personally, you're seen as a strong individual, not yet a scalable manager. So what do you do with this? Stop optimizing for looking busy. Start optimizing for your area being boring in a good way. Predictable, low drama, reliable. In your one-on-ones with your own manager, don't just talk about tasks, talk about risks, team health, and system improvements. Ask yourself weekly, if my leadership only saw the hidden scoreboard, would they see someone ready for more, or someone barely holding on? In this module on managing up, down, and across, this hidden scoreboard is your base layer. Next, we'll get into how to manage up so your manager and senior leaders actually see the right signals, not just how busy you are. Because career growth isn't just about doing the job well. It's about making sure the right people can see, in their language, that you're already playing at the next level.